Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So I welcome you again to your social studies class, and today we'll do question answers of chapter number 11, that is the journey of machines. So first of all we'll do MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, and the question number 1 is an alloy is a metal, natural resource, mixture of two metals or none of these, and the correct answer is mixture of two metals. Question number 2 is which of the following metal was first discovered by the early man? And the options are copper, iron ore, silver or gold. And the correct answer is copper. Question number 3 is the change from handmade goods to machine made goods is known as the options are green revolution, industrial revolution, white revolution or grey revolution. The correct answer is Industrial Revolution. Question number 4 is who discovered the steam engine in 1769? And the options are Rudolf Diesel, Gottlieb Daimler, Volta or James Watt. And the correct answer is James Watt discovered the steam engine in 1769. And the last question is mineral oil is found in Canada, Russia, USA or Brazil. And the correct answer is USA. Now we'll do fill in the blanks, and the first blank is tools of early man were made of stones and wood. Next blank is the steam engine was invented by, yes, this we have done in MCQ also. Yes, it is James Watt. The steam engine was invented by James Watt in 1769. Next is Daimler was a dash scientist. He was a German scientist. Okay. Next is mass production started during dash revolution. It started during industrial revolution. Okay. The fifth sentence is dash was developed by Volta in Italy, and the correct answer is the first electric battery was developed by Volta in Italy. And the last blank is the simplest lifting machine is dash. Which is the simplest lifting machine? Pulley. Yes. So now we'll do true false, and you have to give reason for false statement. And the first sentence is coal and petroleum will last forever. And the correct answer is false, because the coal mines became deeper and deeper and the quantity of coal available is limited. In the same way, the reservoirs of petrol are also limited. So both of them will not last forever. The second sentence is machine made goods were expensive and of cheap quality. And is it true or false? Yes, it is false, because machine made goods were cheap and of good quality. The next sentence is dams provide hydroelectricity. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. The next sentence is biogas is very common in villages. Yes, it's true. The last sentence is machine do not need electricity to run. Is it true or false? It is false. Machine needs electricity to run. So now we'll do match the following. The first one is James Watt, and James Watt invented steam engine, and industrial revolution it led to mass production. Gottlieb Daimler, he discovered petrol powered machine. Volta, battery, he discovered first electric battery. Generator, production of electricity. Hydroelectricity, that is power generated by running water. Lifts, that is tall buildings. Computer, it's an electronic machine. And trawlers, that is fishing ships. So now we'll do one reference to context from the chapter, and the paragraph is the invention of steam engine by James Watt in 1769 brought revolution in the activities of man. It was a key machine in the 18th century. Stephenson used the steam engine to develop railway engine. So the question number 1 is when was steam engine discovered? And the answer is the steam engine was discovered by James Watt in 1769.
Question number 2 is name the key machine of 18th century, and the answer is the steam engine was the key machine of 18th century. The last question is who used the steam engine to develop railway engine, and the answer is Stephenson used the steam engine to develop railway engine.
Now we'll do 5 very short question answers, and the question number 1 is who developed a machine which could be run by petrol? And the answer is Gottlieb Daimler, a German scientist, developed a machine which could be run by petrol. Question number 2 is name the person who discovered an engine which worked with diesel. And the answer is Rudolf Diesel discovered an engine which worked with diesel. Question number 3 is what is hydroelectricity? And the answer is when the water falls from a great height of a dam, electricity is produced. It is called water power or tidal power or hydroelectricity. Question number 4 is name any 5 modern machines that we use frequently in our daily life. And the answer is pulley, screws, hammer, a saw, drill. Question number 5 is what do you know about the travelers? And the answer is a traveler is a person who travels from place to place, often living in a vehicle rather than living in one place. Now we'll do 4 define the terms, and the first term is Stone Age. It is the period in which the early man made stone implements. Second is alloy. Alloy is a mixture of metals. Third word is hydroelectricity, and it means electricity produced by using water resource. Fourth is mass production, and it means large scale production of a standard article by a standardized mechanical process. Now we'll do distinguish between, and the first one is we have to distinguish between iron and copper. So iron, it is used to manufacture steel and used in civil engineering, and copper, it is used to make tools and weapons. The copper tools were used in farming activities. Now the next one is differentiate between lifting machines and construction machines. Lifting machine is a machine that can be used to move people and building materials up and down between the floors. For example, cranes, elevators. Construction machine, the base for new roads and buildings usually requires lots of earth to be dug and heavy loads to be lifted. For example, excavators, dumper trucks, etc. The third one is differentiate between machines in the bathroom and machines in the kitchen. Machines in the bathroom, the hand basin, the shower, faucets or taps, electric razors, toothbrushes. Machines in the kitchen like can opener, food processor, microwave, etc. Now we'll do short question answers, and the first question is write down a short note on electronics. And the answer is first point is many modern machines are either electronic or electric. Second point is electronic machines have specialized parts that helps to control the machine. For example, calculators, microwave ovens or computers. Question number 2 is how are the machines useful for farmers? And the answer is first point is machines are to work every job on the farm like plowing, harvesting, threshing, seeding and watering to fertilizing crops. The second point is farmers use many machines to make their job easier. The third point is nowadays automatic milk machine is used to extract milk from dairy animals. Question number 3 is how did the use of iron change the life of early man? And the answer is first point is the tools made of iron like axes, plows could easily cut tree and clear forest. Thus the early man turned the forest into farmland. Hunting of animals was easier with metallic tools. Question number 4 is how was copper metal discovered? And the answer is a piece of rock fell into the fire. After some time it was noticed that a red ball is in the ash of fire in place of rock piece. The ball was shining and was heavy in weight. This red ball was copper. Question number 5 is mention the main sources of power. And the answer is wind power, water, solar power, gobar gas or biogas. So these were the question answers of chapter number 11, and I hope you have understood everything. So this is all for today, and we'll meet once again in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.